Certainly, YouTube is a vast resource for learning, and here are 10 effective ways to study using it. Tutorial videos. Search for tutorial videos related to your subject or topic of study. Whether it's math, science, language, or any other subject, there are likely comprehensive tutorials available. Educational channels. Subscribe to educational channels that cover topics you're interested in. These channels often have playlists organized by topic, making it easy to find relevant content. Documentaries. Watch documentaries related to your field of study. Documentaries can provide valuable insights and real-world examples that enhance your understanding of a subject. Lecture series. Many universities and educational institutions upload their lecture series to YouTube. Search for lectures on topics you're studying or interested in for in-depth knowledge. TED Talks. TED Talks cover a wide range of topics and can provide valuable insights and perspectives on various subjects. Look for TED Talks related to your field of study for inspiration and new ideas. Educational podcasts. Some YouTube channels also upload educational podcasts on various subjects. You can listen to these while multitasking or during your commute to make the most of your time. Interactive videos. Look for interactive videos that engage you actively in the learning process. These could include quizzes, simulations, or interactive experiments that help reinforce your understanding. Review videos. Before exams or tests, search for review videos that summarize key concepts and provide tips for studying effectively. These can be a helpful refresher and aid in exam preparation. Collaborative learning. Join study groups or communities on YouTube where you can discuss and collaborate with others who are studying the same subject. This can provide additional insights and support. DIY projects. For subjects like science or art, search for DIY, do-it-yourself projects that allow you to apply what you've learned in a practical way. These hands-on projects can make learning more engaging and memorable. Remember to stay organized and focused while using YouTube for studying, as it's easy to get distracted by unrelated content. Set specific goals for each study session and use YouTube as a supplement to your primary study materials.